Welcome back with another banger, guys. I missed y'all guys. Now I'm back. So guys, I'm finna share with you how much I made. I'm finna share with you how I made it so you can do the same. Let's get right into this video. Before we get into this video, please go check out SoFi. SoFi, link is in the description. SoFi, it's going to be the best banking in the world. It also allows you to trade stocks like I do in crypto. And people are big on crypto, and the dollar is leaving, guys. The dollar is going down. The value is down. And crypto and stocks is the new dollar. Buying gold, buying silver, all of it's the new dollar. Check it out in SoFi. If you get linked up with SoFi, link is in the description. You can either start trading gold and shares and making good money like I do. So let's get into this video. So guys, what I did was I traded SPY, and I took 2 trades today. Actually, three. I took 3 trades today. One on Apple, which is right here, and then SPY. This is how you can tell which stocks are going to go crazy and which stocks is going to have the good momentum to get into. First thing you want to do is, number one, you want to know the charts. You want to start off with the high time frame, like right here, the 4-hour, or you could start off with the weekly. I normally start off with the weekly so I can see how the stocks are doing that week. This one particular stock, for example, like Apple, and each of the candles is a week when I look on the weekly chart. If the candle's green, you know it's got momentum. It's going up. If the candle's red that week, you know it's going down. And then I'll go to the daily time frame. And after the daily time frame, I'll look at the day candle if it's green. So if I got a green weekly, a green daily, and then I go down to the 4-hour, if that's green, and then I go down to 15-minute, if that's green, and then I go to the 5-minute, it starts to come green. That's one confluence of indication that I know that the stock market is going up. And another confluence is that when I put in my indicator, which is the E90MA right here, that little blue line, that's called the 90MA. And if it's above the 90MA, that means that the market is going to an uptrend. If it's under the 90MA, that means it's going down to a downtrend. So this is the second confluence. Now, after I look at my 5-minute charts and my 5-minute candles, and if it's above the 90MA and it's green, that's another confluence that I know that the market is going up. That means that I will place a option to get into a call position. I can do it. What you want to do is you don't want to do 0-day expiration. You want to do a couple days out, just in case the stocks don't go your way. If it goes down into a pullback, you don't have to get scared. You go, oh, no, it's in a pullback. I'm down $30. Don't get scared. Trust your strategy. Trust your strategy and have patience. Because what it's going to do, if you trust your strategy and it's above the 90MA, and then you seeing all your key levels is matching up with your strategy, wait. And then once it goes back up past your strike price, you in the money, baby. It's really easy to do this. You just have to know the charts and have to have patience. 90% of trading is patience, psychological patience. And the other 10%, reading the charts, which is really easy. What I just shared with you, the easiest thing to do. And so I only made $10 off this Apple call because Apple wasn't doing. I got impatient. SPY, I was patient, but Apple, I got impatient. And I got out of $10. Made $10, but look, it's up right here. It's way up past my strike price. If I would have had more patience and trust my strategy, and I'm still working on it, I'm still a newbie, I would have made $100, $200. But that's okay. I'm still learning. I'm still learning patience and waiting for my exit point. And that's how you can make money into this game. And I made this right here, that 189, and it took me 15 minutes and I made that. And then I made that Apple call in another 20 minutes. It took me actually 20 minutes to make this $10, but that still beats more than getting hourly pay. So if it took me 20 minutes and then you got 60 minutes, that's $30 an hour if you really added it up, which is pretty good. And so back to what I was saying, and now that I'm done for the day, and I'm done, just be done. I made my little $200 and I'm done. And just enjoy the day with your family, guys. This is how you do it. It's real simple. And then the first thing you want to do is I'm going to give you a homework assignment before I get off here. Like I did tell you yesterday, I'm going to share with you my strategies for free. But if you want to get into my class and learn hands-on, link is in the bio. So right here, guys, you want to learn your candles. Okay, you got the wicks of the candles, like a candle you blow out, like you light up and you blow. That's what these are. Consider these, put it in your mind that these are candles, and these are the wicks of the candles, right? Remember, green candle means open, or green candle means buy, okay? And that's also another word for stock. It's a scientific word for stocks would be bullish, okay? And then the red candle means sell. That would be bearish, as you can see. You can see the green candle where it opens right here. It's the top where it closes. When you get into, this means buy. That means you hit your button in your option chain for an option. You hit buy, or you buy the shares. You hit the button, buy the shares. And then once it goes up, you're going to see it goes up. And then at the top of this wick, you see where it says close. That's where you want to look into the position of getting out. Or you want to have your strategy line up to where you say, man, it's going to go even higher. And then your next candle could be another green and go even higher. But if you start seeing this red candle right here, you see where it closes right there and it opens right there in the red. That's where you want to look into the position of getting out, because it can go the other way. But sometimes I will stay in it because I know my strategy. I know and trust it. I trust my strategy about 90% of the time. The 10% I didn't trust is because I made only $10 in Apple. But the other 90% I made over $189 because I trusted it. And I still got to trust it. So now if you trust your strategy, you might have a slight red candle. Then you might have another green candle. Shoot way past this red candle where it says close and where it says open for buyers to take over. I don't want to confuse you. You might have another green candle that goes higher. So my number one thing is to study these candles right here. That's your lesson for today. And I will show you another video tomorrow. How much I made in the stock market tomorrow is real easy. You can work your 9 to 5 and still work this, or you could do this full time. I made, $500 the other day, and then I'm making another $200. That's $700 I made in 2 days, and the week is not even over with. I believe that I could possibly make even higher. I can't tell you a number, but I can have a goal of a number. My goal of a number is to do $1,000 a week, and I'm sharing with you that you can too. And this is simple. You don't have to be greedy. You can get into the market, make a little money, make a little gas money, make a little bit rent money or mortgage money, car note money, or insurance money, or even pay student loans out and get out. Simple. So I love you guys. I hope this helps you guys. And if you want to join my school, it's in the link. It is in the description, so you can join and learn this stuff so you can make money for you and your family. Thank you and God bless. See you tomorrow.